Alright, welcome back to another video. You see this video, you already know what we got. We got another harness in for the Civic. Hopefully this one's a little bit better. We had the junk spaniel one and we had a junk spaniel one last on the car. That one was bad, it's pinned out wrong, it's completely bad. So I ended up buying a DC5 Creations harness. His website is known, to be good. His harnesses are known to be good. His turbo kits, everything quality is supposed to be good. So I bought the 2005-2006 Acura RSX racing harness. So I got the best one you can get. So you don't have to worry about nothing in the future. Worry about none of the wires melting. Worry about anything happening with the pins. All that should be good and taken care of. One thing I am disappointed about. Nothing bad about the product so far, but I don't like that it came in this flimsy. Look at this. It only takes one careless USPS worker to just throw this like this, or to have another box on top of it and just destroy my harness, which I can't get my money back because all sales are final. But I'm going to open this on video because if this is broken, well, I have proof that I didn't do nothing to it and I opened it just like that, and that's how I got it. Reason why I'm saying the package is a little, and it could be better, because I'm paying almost close to $900 for a harness that could be broken as easy as this. Compared to junk Spania, over here it has a box, and it also has bubble wraps in here. Again, nothing bad saying about the product, but I wish the product was in better packaging. Yeah, so let's open this up, and we'll see right now how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to be opening this DC5 Creations harness. Alright, let's see how this comes out.
Now, we're doing it in video because somebody could throw this and broke it. And if it's broke, that's how it came. That's the reason we're recording this, just in case.
Because all sales are final on his website, so I want to make sure this is a good working harness, nothing's broke.
No clips, actually.
No clips are broken, nothing's broken, because as easy as this, and boom, something could be broken. So we're going to open it live.
Just Penny one came in a box for being cheap, and DC5 Creation came in a not such of a good.
Like this, I can kick it. It'll be good. This, if I kick it, I could break something.
Yeah, so let's see.
Let's see right now. Gonna find a spot so we don't break nothing. Right here, there's nothing. As you see, it's flat. Open this up.
Well, we're hoping for the best. We don't want it to be broken.
Yeah, we don't want it to be broken. I want this thing to be together good, and I can show it off with the car. I could represent, okay, this DC5 Creation stuff is actually really good quality. So let's see.
Well, he should package it a little better. It's expensive harness should be in a box
like that.
Like that. Not in a thing that could be broken.
Yeah, not saying nothing bad, but I'm just saying, as a customer's point of view, I would like my stuff in that box for more insurance than this, because I only get $100 insurance with this protection. $100 for this $900 harness almost. But it does look nice. This is really good. Let's open it up now.
What we're looking is for the clips. Make sure all the clips are good.
The clips are good.
Connectors, I would say the right word.
This is not gonna pull. I mean, the quality is, it looks like it for sure. These wires look nice.
Looks good to the moment.
To the moment. You see anything?
I just think it should be better packed besides that.
I think so too.
I mean, I got a turbo kit from them in my Civic, but it should be better packed. For the price of this, it should be packed better. I mean, just looking at it now, doesn't look nothing wrong. We'll see as we go for now.
Alright guys, we have the harness all installed. Again, this is the DC5 Creations harness installed on my K20Z1 Civic. This is number 2. Right here's number 3. Just trying to help you guys out. It's number 4. Same thing over here. Number 4, 3, 2, 1. Ground right here. Another ground right here onto the head. Right onto this bolt. You have your INT intake, and then you have your EX. This is the exhaust. So no one gets confused, because I know a lot of people get confused with those two. It's a good thing he put down his harness. This one right here. I'm trying to give you the best. This is a RLD. I mean, I'm pretty sure you know where those go. I just wanted to get this side taken care of. So this one is the VTC. Can't see it, but this is the VTC. Well, here's gonna be the orange one, VS, the VTEC switch. So we have it all together. I'm gonna be plugging up the ECU, and then we're gonna put on a base map, and let's see this. And let's see if she starts up. It'll be nice for it to run correctly, and this would be correctly. So this would be a good big step. So let's see if this thing starts. All right, so we got the DC5 Creations harness on the Civic. Will it start up today? We don't know. We'll find out. All right, guys, so we're back. I'm not sure if I went into detail what happened with this car, but the last time I worked on this car, I was testing each pin for power. I found out that my ignition switch was working. It was sending power to that wire. I was just trying to find out where that wire was on this one, on this side of the firewall next to the ECU. So I went through each of the pins and I clicked the wrong one, and I burnt out my ECU. I seen it go up in smoke inside of there, and I seen a little square go, and I seen a little square in there go black. So yeah, now we have a new KPro. Now, right now, we have everything new on this car. So I don't want to hear no comments of, oh, it could be a bad ECU. This ECU is brand new. Brand new from a trusted business. Brand new. I got this from HA Motors for $1,100. I mean, it's brand new. I'm not complaining because I paid $1,000 for that one that was used. So to be honest, next time I would rather pay the $1,100 knowing that this is gonna be good than paying $1,000 from a sketchy person online. So I got the budget ECU. So this is a 2002-2004 Acura RSX automatic ECU. So I mean, it should work the same thing as a manual one. I mean, the pins should be almost the same thing. So everything should work technically. So basically, I have a 2006 Acura RSX harness and engine, of course, to a adapter plate from the same brand, HA Motorsports, that converts this 2006 harness to a 2002-2004 style ECU. So the pinouts should be the same. Hopefully it works. That's it. I'll pick up the camera with a smile. I'll pick up the camera with a smile if it works, but let's see if it works. Alright guys, so we are inside of the Civic right now. I'm looking at this mess of wires. I'm not a wire harness guy. I don't know nothing about wires. I just know a color goes to this color, the same thing, and done. Yeah, right now I'm in the process of taking out my alarm system. I've tried to contact like over 3 people, and every person just keeps pushing me off. The one person never texts me back. The other one just disappeared. So I don't know, it's just like in my area, there's not a lot of hope. So I'm gonna do what I always do, figure it out. So think I'm gonna be taking this, because I'm taking this is the alarm system shit right here. This is the alarm system right here. This is the K9 alarm system. I heard this is pretty good. So basically I'm just gonna take this whole freaking thing, every single thing connected to this thing. I see this thing turns on after this, but I'm kind of forced to do this since I got no help here in Ohio. So wish me luck. I'm gonna start unplugging this stuff. So far I noticed that I gotta take out these 2 wires, of course, and plug these 2 right back together. The same thing. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm definitely gonna need it. Definitely 100% gonna need it. I'm gonna triple check everything, make sure nothing's messed up. I'm gonna just tell this whole wiring system. It looks like a spider nest in here. So it's a lot of wires. I'll pick it back up once I at least got this whole thing out. Like at least like hanging out. I'll pick it back up. Alright, so I think I got it. I just had to like take off the wires from here, tape that up. Wires from here, tape that up. It was just only tapped into the wire, so they didn't just completely cut it off and do all that mess. So they actually did it right. So this one, I'm just gonna take it out and cover it right back up with tape. Let's see if I can do it right here with you, so you can see what I'm talking about. Oh shit. Yeah, look, came right out. It was just tapped into it. So now, so I can show you a little more better. It was just tapped into the wire right here. So I'm just gonna take this right back up and I'll be done with this. I took out the whole thing. Look at this mess right here. This mess of wiring. But it's out. Not too bad. Oh yeah, we got two good signs. We got a green, and this thing turns on every time I turn this thing on. One more time. One more time. In the laptop, the fuel pump still isn't kicking on, but I jumped it. Let's see if it turns on. It should turn on right now, like with the fuel pump. Hear that? So, you guys, the Civic is finally running on our own power. Let's adjust the idle a little bit. It's a little high. Alright, she has a little air leak, but she's turning on. Oh yeah! I'm excited. Alright, we'll turn it off just in case. Alright guys, so as you have just seen, the car did turn on. Sounded pretty good. I mean, it had like a little cam choppy sound or had like an air leak somewhere. I'm gonna be figuring that out right now. Well no, I'm not actually worried about that right now. I'm actually gonna find out why my fuel pump does not want to turn on without me jumping the main relay. Because the only reason I turned on the car yesterday was jumping the main relay with fuses. And that worked, but we want it to work correctly. So, right now what I'm going to do is connect everything like how it's supposed to. Double check the main relay, see if it's clicking. Double check fuses. And yeah, if anything, I'm going to try to switch main relays. See if that works. I don't know yet. Kind of just, going with the flow with this. I'm also going to go into the computer and check, see if I have the fuel pump off or something. I don't know. I'm going to check in a second right now. And when I figure something out, I'll let you know. And I'll pick it right back up. But for now, here with China. We're going to figure this out together. And yeah, wish me luck. Alright guys, so we officially have the Civic all together and running. The only thing I do have to do after turning it on, because it turns right on every time. The only thing I do have to do is wire in this coolant temp sensor for the fans to kick on and for the cluster to read it. I also need to figure out what fuse is blown because now the RPMs don't work. And the fuses did pop over there when I jumped the stuff, so I figured this popped too because it was working. I seen it working with my own eyes. We also got the interior all together. It's not bolted up. I just have it mocked up. I gotta buy new bolts and hardware for all this, but this is on. Around the steering wheel's on. Around the shifter is on. I got the driver's seat on. And yeah, we're gonna be good for tonight. And I'm calling it a night. It's what? Let me show you what time it is. Almost 10 o'clock at night. And I could not leave the shop. I could not go to sleep till I knew that this car was together. Oh, and I also moved the car forward and back. because the clutch grabs very high, like all the way up top. So I definitely need to adjust it, put it more in, and we'll be set. We'll be set to drive this thing probably the next video, to be honest. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end it right here, guys. If you liked today's video, even though it's a long one and a lot of stuff, it's all over the place. This video is all over the place. I'm aware of that. But I did decide to take you guys along for the journey, explaining why the red stuff for the KPro, all that stuff was just for the conversion harness. So if you ever have that issue, and if you tried the different plugs being backwards on the ECU and it's still doing that, and you check your fuses, you have your grounds, you have all this stuff, and it's still giving that blinking red light, change your conversion harness. I had a K2 conversion harness that was either defective or probably not pinned out right for the car, but we got a hybrid racing one in, and this thing turns right on. Actually, before we end this video, well, yeah, if you liked today's video, drop a like, I'd appreciate it. Drop a comment, anything, I would appreciate that. And I mean, if you feel generous, drop a subscribe. You know, come along with this journey with me, and we're gonna be enjoying this car, being the crap out of it. Not being the crap out of it, but we are gonna enjoy it. This is what I built this car for. I built everything right. I went good quality with everything because I already knew my intention with this car was to enjoy it. Build it once, cry once, and that's it. Enjoy it. I hope that's how it is. Let's see how this goes. Once I finish all this stuff, I'll go get it tuned. But we got this thing running. So let's end this video with this car running and maybe me moving it forward and back. Let's change that. Let's go to that video now. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys a nice cold start. Just to show you guys it's cold. It's ready to fire up. Let me plug in this battery. My RPMs are still not working. I'm going to try to figure out what's going on with that. But I want to show you at least it running and give you a nice startup. And I move a little bit just to show you guys that, hey, I've been doing a lot to it. So it's almost ready. Hope that's a good angle for you guys. I apologize, I'm by myself, so I'm gonna probably try to scoot back a little bit. I'm working with a chair. All right. No cuts. There she is. She turns on. Didn't want to leave it on for too long because I do have my dog in here and don't want to kill us with the carbon monoxide. But now is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, like, and well, stay tuned for the next video.